Hi friends! So today we are going to be taking our theme test, and there's going to be 3 different sections. So this is going to be the first section. So make sure you put your name on top and listen to each question carefully and then choose your best answer. So we're going to start with number 1. Number 1 says, what is the theme of a story? Is it 1, the way the text is structured, 2, a topic in the story, or 3, the life lesson learned in the story? Choose your best answer. Let's go down to number 2. The theme of a story is stated directly in the text. Is this true or false? Let's go down to number 3. The theme is blank. The author wants us to know after reading the story. Is it 1, asking, 2, the message, or 3, finding out? And let's go to our last question for this section. What is a good question to ask yourself to find the theme of a story? Is it 1, what vocabulary words did I learn? 2, what is the lesson the character learned in the story? Or 3, how is the text structured? All right, make sure you have all of your answers checked off, and we will go to the next section.